Hello, very good day and a very good evening for you who are watching Agri-Biz International, our YouTube channel. So, actually, I would like to ask from early stage of this live video. So, please subscribe our channels and help us to grow. So, we are focused on agriculture, agribusiness, and agricultural science, agricultural news, and share the latest update regarding the news technology and what is coming from the worlds, and we are going to share with you. So our objective is to, as soon as possible, share the updated agricultural informations and the updated news and science with you from the Agri-Biz International YouTube channel. So today we are going to focus actually the main one of main crops in tropical countries: Sri Lanka, India, Bangladesh, Kenya, China. That is tea. Tea is one of main crop we should discuss. We are planning to discuss via these channels. So today we are going to focus and we are going to discuss about the SOP, sulfate of potash. So we apply sulfate of potash actually mainly focus to save the water or increase the water efficiency or the reduce the amount loss due to the drought condition or the sunlights. So today, so we are going to talk with you about there are many more positive impact they are having applying the SOP to the plants, because normal average farmers they just know about the water efficiency and saving the water, but more than that, there are a lot of positive impacts having or available with applying the SOP. So there are seven actually. There are seven positive impacts available applying SOP to the plant. So today we focus to discuss about what happen inside the plants when we apply to the plant SOP. So number one factor, so positive impact reason is the enhance the root developments. So SOP help to enhance the root developments. So this will not happen at the time of drought. So people might think sometimes applying SOP in the drought will help to grow. Actually, not. It will not help. But in the average conditions, the if you can apply SOP to the plant, SOP improve the root growth and the structure, and also it allowing the tea plants to extract moisture from the deeper layers of the soil. So what you know actually is the tea is as a percentage, the lot of tea plants are taken from the vegetative propagation. So we cut the buds and plant in the nursery, and after that brings to the peel. So what happen is the root zone is not much going to the deeper because of vegetative propagation we apply. So but applying the SOP to the tea, it will help to enhance the roots to the deeper layer, and it will help to attract more water inside to the plant. So the stronger root we build up, we apply in SOP can absorb more nutrient and it can absorb more water inside to the plants, and it help to the plant survival even in the drought conditions. So this is the number one positive impact of applying SOP, sulfate of potassium, K₂SO₄, potassium sulfate, SOP. So this is the number one positive impact applying to the tea. The second one is the strength, the cell wall, strengthening cell wall happening. You know, the potassium the coming from the SOP can promote the thicker cell wall. So when what actually happen is it helps to increase the cellulose and lignin synthesis inside the plant or inside the cell. So that cause to increase the thickness of the cell wall, and it help it make plant more rigid and less prone to wilting under the stress condition, under the heat stress. So it will not distress easily because it has a thicker cell wall of the cells. So this is a second positive impact of applying SOP to the plant. The third one is the normal average knowledge we have is improving water retention efficiency. The what you know is actually potassium regulate uh, stomatal functions. Average we know what happen is stomatal the potassium that control the tiny pores, how it can open or close. So we can close actually even in the drought condition. Applying potassiums to the plant, we can close the stomata. So what happen is the water loss as what is called transpiration water loss we can reduce. We are closing down the stomatal which are having undersides of the plant. So that will help to increase water efficiency, or it will improve the water retention inside the plant. So that will help to pace the drought conditions to the plant. So this is a third positive impact we are having applying of SOP. The fourth one is the boost of osmoregulation. So osmoregulation is simple things. So what's the water balance or the how water movement inside the plant? So the potassium which is coming from the SOP can help or can act as a osmotic regulator that inside the plant actually the potassium they can play osmotic regulator, and this ensure the better cell the target pressure inside the plant and keep the leaves firm even during the low moisture conditions. So the leaves are in good conditions even in the moisture conditions of the soils are lower, because the potassium inside the cell they can control the osmotic regulator because of the potassium available or potassium coming from this SOP. This is the fourth benefit. The fifth one is the increased drought tolerance to the photosynthesis. So the even in the drought condition, even under the heat stress, the potassium help to enhance the enzymatic activity inside the plant and the chlorophyll production. So they keep photosynthesis active even in the conditions of the stress condition. So that means the SOP help to face the what is called drought conditions which is having. The sixth one is the reduce oxidative stress and wilting. Reduce oxidative stress and wilting during the drought. You know that plant produce reactive oxygen species we call ROS, so which cause cellular damage. Even we know that what we will discuss in next video how the reactive oxygen species develop inside the plants even in the drought condition. In drought condition, the ROS develop inside the plant that can help to damage the cell. So if cell damage, it will easily release water to out, and what happen is the it will wilt easily. So the oxide we are applying the SOP, we can reduce the water losses, or we call damages coming from the stress or the what is called heat conditions. So we can boost oxidant enzymatic activity, reducing ROS damage, protecting cell tissues. The seventh one is the maintain yield and the quality. The pre-drought SOP application ensure tree bushes to produce quality leaves under the moisture stress, and it will promote potassium so to keep the leaf size and flavor compound even even in the drought condition. So these are the seven positive impact we are having applying SOP to the tea plantations. So actually we should apply SOP 4 to 6 week before the expected drought, right? 4 to 6 week before to expected drought, uh, to the tea. But actually, application rate normally in Sri Lankan scenario is the people who apply it as a 1 to 2% of SOP solution as a foliar applications. But even we can apply it as a fertilizer to the soil. So 30 to 60 kilograms per hectare we can apply to the soils. But in Sri Lanka, that is not recommended. But we can try as a fertilizer. We can apply SOP. So this is the video we would like to discuss actually about what are the main 7 positive impact of applying SOP to the tea plant, and what are the positive impact having applied the SOP to the tea plant. So with that, actually, we would like to conclude our live video today, because normal average scenario, people thinks applying SOP uh, is just for the saving water, increase the water efficiency. But actually, there are a lot of positive impact of applying SOP to the tea plantations. It will give a lot of benefits to the plants to face in the stress conditions and reduce the negative impact due to the less water availability in the drought condition. So you can apply according to the Sri Lankan actually recommendation is your tea plantation is the average the year what's called the time is 1 year age. 1 to 2 years can apply 2%, that mean 2 kilograms per 100 liter water you can mix and apply for 1 hectare. And the 2 to 3 years age you can apply 4 kilograms of sorry 2 kilograms of 200 liters, and sorry 4 kilogram of 200 liters. And then later we can go for 8 kilograms of 400 liters. So this is the recommended amounts we can apply. So just you thinks about, actually you don't narrowly thinks about the only we apply SOP to the saving the water. Even there are a lot of positive benefits applying SOP to the tea. So with that, we would like to conclude our video today. So please subscribe our video, our channels, Agri-Biz International. This is the English channels we are maintaining to educate our farmers. So with that, we conclude. Please share our videos. Please comments on our videos. Please recommend our channels to the others, the colleagues or farmers. So with that, we would like to conclude our today discussion about the positive impact of SOP applied to the tea. So that with that we conclude. Thank you very much being with us today.